What's up guys, welcome to the video where we unbox Jio Karbonn Bharat K1 4G phone. Now this is available at 999 rupees and comes in 3 color combinations, grey and red, white and red, black and grey. Now we have the black and grey color variant. Now Jio brings lot of affordable products like laptop for 15k, 4G smartphone for 6k and now a 4G basic phone for 1k. That's pretty cool. Now obviously this is made in India and comes with 1-year warranty. And there are few more highlights. And it only supports Jio 4G SIM and only has Jio apps. Now this supports 128GB SD card as well. WhatsApp is difficult to get. If only they gave that, it would have been great. But there is another phone called Jio Bharat V2 and that supports WhatsApp. The K1 phone we have, it doesn't support WhatsApp. Now this Bharat K1 4G supports FM radio and it plays directly, which means it supports wireless FM radio. Now this phone has 2 mobile plans, 123 rupees plan in which you will get 14GB data for 28 days validity and 1234 plan which is 1234 rupees plan, you will get 128GB data for 1 year validity. In both the plans you get half a GB data per day. These Jio Bharat plans only work on this phone, you can't use them in other phones once activated. Now the smartphone Jio SIM or the old Jio SIM works in the K1 but only for calls. Internet doesn't work. You will be able to access internet only with plans of Bharat K1. Maybe they will change that in the future. Now coming to the most important feature this phone has, that would be UPI payments. Now you can make UPI payments with this phone using the Jio Pay. Now let's get to unboxing. Here's the box. On the front it has branding, Karbonn Bharat K1 4G. There's a preview of the phone. It says Jio inside. On the side there are highlights, Jio Cinema, Jio Savan, etc. On the back there is pricing and more information. Now let's unbox. First we have the phone itself, followed by micro USB charger, which for this price we can't ask for more, followed by documentation and a 1000 mAh battery in separate cover. Now let's keep all of this aside and come back to the phone. Let's insert battery in the phone first. It's very easy to remove the back panel. Do it from the bottom, there's a small groove. After removing back panel, we insert the SIM card and also SD card if you have one. Once we put back the battery, just close the back panel. Now before we turn it on, let's have a physical overview. On the back it is plastic back panel, towards the top there is a camera with 0.3 megapixels. And beside it there's a speaker grill. Underneath all this, there is Karbonn branding. On the front there is a small 1.77 inch display and it says Bharat in the middle of the phone. Below that there is the T9 keypad. On the right it is plain, on the top there is torch, on the left it is plain again, on the bottom we can see micro USB port, 3.5mm audio jack and a mic. As for the rest of the specifications, it comes with 1000 mAh battery, wireless FM radio, SD card up to 128GB and LED torch on top. And this phone weighs 78 grams. Yes, just 78 grams. It's pretty compact and light in weight. Now just press and hold the power button or call reject button and the phone will boot up. As for software, this phone is running KaiOS. Once the phone is on, you can see the wallpaper and it has menu and contacts. Inside the menu, you can see call log, contacts, messages, multimedia, tools, notes, files, settings, camera, internet, clock, Jio Savan, Jio Cinema and Jio Pay. Now that's pretty much it for this video. What do you think about this phone? They might bring a similar phone for 5G in the future. Who knows? What are your thoughts on that? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for watching. This is Unknown from GreedyTech. Meet you in the next one.